If you're trying to zoom in while animating in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to zoom in and out so you can work more comfortably, frame by frame, without wasting time searching through menus. This is especially helpful if you're drawing details, checking your line work, or moving around a large animation canvas. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and easiest method is using your scroll wheel. Just roll the wheel up to zoom in and roll it down to zoom out. This is probably the quickest way for most people because it feels natural and works instantly while you're drawing or animating. If your mouse has a smooth wheel, you can make very small zoom adjustments, which is great when you want more control over the view. Now, if you want another fast option, Krita also lets you zoom with a keyboard and mouse shortcut. Hold Space and Ctrl together, then drag your mouse to the right to zoom in. If you drag your mouse to the left, you'll zoom out. This can be really useful if you want to zoom precisely without constantly using the wheel. It also gives you a little more control when you're working on detailed animation frames or checking the timing of your artwork. Next, let's look at the keyboard shortcuts. To zoom in quickly, press the plus key, or the equals key if that's the key on your keyboard layout. This is a simple shortcut that's handy when you want to step closer into your animation without touching the mouse. To zoom out, press the minus key. That will pull the canvas back so you can see more of your work at once. If you ever get too close or lost in the canvas, Krita gives you a very helpful reset shortcut. Press the 1 key, and it will instantly return your view to 100% actual size. That is perfect when you want to quickly get back to a normal viewing level and reorient yourself. And if you want to see your entire animation canvas on the screen, press the 2 key. This fits the page to your window, which is great when you want to check the full composition or make sure everything is framed correctly. These zoom shortcuts are small things, but they can make a huge difference in your workflow. When you know them, moving around your canvas becomes much faster and much less frustrating. You can zoom in for detail work, zoom out to review the full scene, and reset your view anytime you need a clean starting point. So the main methods to remember are scroll wheel up to zoom in, scroll wheel down to zoom out, Space plus Ctrl and drag right to zoom in, drag left to zoom out, plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out, 1 to reset to actual size, and 2 to fit the full canvas. Once you practice these a few times, they'll become second nature. Before you go, if this video helped you learn how to zoom in Krita animation, please like this video and subscribe for more Krita tutorials, animation tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.